Have you ever been in a relationship where one moment everything feels perfect, and the next you're left questioning where you stand? It's like an emotional game of tug-of-war, moments of deep connection followed by sudden distance. This roller coaster isn't just exhausting. It can deeply impact how we view ourselves and others. Welcome to today's discussion on the push-pull dynamic, a relationship pattern that complicates intimacy and trust. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand why it happens, but also learn how to break free from its hold. Let's dive in. The push-pull dynamic, often rooted in attachment styles and unresolved past wounds, plays out in relationships when one partner oscillates between seeking closeness, the pull, and creating distance, the push. This pattern can be subtle or extreme, but its effects on intimacy and trust are undeniable. Understanding the push-pull dynamic. At its core, this dynamic reflects a conflict between the desire for connection and the fear of vulnerability. One partner may lean in emotionally, seeking closeness, only to feel overwhelmed or fearful once that connection is achieved. This triggers a retreat, creating a push. The other partner, often sensing this distance, tries to bridge the gap by pulling them back in. This dance can create a cycle where both partners feel insecure and unsure about their emotional footing. The pusher may fear losing independence, while the puller may fear rejection or abandonment. Origins of the push-pull dynamic. 1. Attachment styles. People with anxious attachment may exhibit the pull behavior, constantly seeking reassurance and closeness. Those with avoidant attachment are more likely to push, fearing intimacy as a threat to their autonomy. 2. Unresolved trauma. Past experiences of betrayal, neglect, or emotional inconsistency can create hypersensitivity to intimacy and trust. 3. Fear of vulnerability. Opening up emotionally can feel risky. The push-pull dynamic acts as a defense mechanism to protect oneself from potential hurt. How it impacts relationships. 1. Erosion of trust. Constant shifts between closeness and distance leave both partners questioning the other's intentions, leading to doubt and insecurity. 2. Emotional exhaustion. The unpredictability of the dynamic drains emotional energy, making it difficult to build a stable foundation. 3. Stunted growth. True intimacy requires vulnerability and consistency, both of which are disrupted by this pattern. Breaking the cycle. 1. Self-awareness. Recognize your role in the dynamic. Are you the one pushing, pulling, or reacting to the shifts? 2. Address attachment issues. Therapy or self-help strategies focusing on attachment can help you rewire patterns and embrace healthier connections. 3. Communicate openly. Create a safe space where both partners can express their fears and needs without judgment. 4. Set boundaries. Clearly defined boundaries can help manage emotional fluctuations and establish stability. 5. Practice emotional regulation. Learn to sit with discomfort rather than acting impulsively. This reduces the intensity of the push or pull. When to seek help. If the push-pull dynamic feels unmanageable, seeking the guidance of a relationship therapist can make a world of difference. Therapy provides tools to break unhealthy cycles and foster genuine trust. Relationships are meant to be a source of love, support, and connection, not confusion and emotional turbulence. If you've recognized yourself or your partner in this push-pull dynamic, know that change is possible. By fostering self-awareness, communication, and compassion, you can break free from these patterns and build deeper, more meaningful relationships. If this video resonated with you, hit the like button, subscribe for more insights on relationships and psychology, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, understanding is the first step to transformation. See you in the next video.